Good afternoon and welcome to another Content Corner. Thank you very much for joining me. My name's Andy from Global E-Commerce Experts and we're here to successfully expand e-commerce sellers into the EU. Now today what I want to talk about is the slight changes that are happening with VAT here in the UK. Now 1st of January, yes, we've got Brexit happening, yes, we've done a load of webinars and information on those. Please check those out, perhaps some links or whatever. However, I think what you need to be aware of is that the way that Amazon, if you're an Amazon seller, is calculating VAT and what the governments are doing to combat some of that. So let me back up slightly because there's a huge amount of sellers that are VAT registered that aren't declaring their VAT. And because of that, what's now happening is the marketplaces will now be taking your VAT for you. So what that basically means is that when you sell on Amazon, Amazon will take 20% of your sale and give that to the UK government. All right? They essentially become the supplier and therefore they will now be doing that. So when you get your return from Amazon, your costs out of there, what's going to happen is you're going to see 20% gone for VAT. All right? And they're going to be taking that straight from the point of sale essentially. So many of you will be very used to that, but it's a very different way of working here in the UK. Now, the problem with that is that not everybody's on the standard rate. Some might be on the flat rate, so they might be getting 6.5%, 7.5% VAT rate. Now, we are still very unclear as of today if Amazon's going to be able to do that or not. There's no answer yet, and we'll come back to you as soon as we find that information out. But the question then comes, well, do you still need to be VAT registered? Well, the answer is, of course, yes, you still do, because you will still be the importer of record importing goods into the UK. And because you're the importer of record, what that actually then means is that what you're now doing is you're just importing goods and you'll have import duty, import VAT and everything else. So you're going to have to pay your import VAT and everything else. Now, because you're VAT registered, you're going to want to reclaim that. And you're going to have to offset that against your Amazon sales, your Shopify sales, your website sales, wherever else you sell. So I think it's really, really important to identify that, you need to make sure you're claiming back the VAT you pay in other areas, as well as just paying the VAT you owe on sales, because you're going to miss a massive opportunity if you don't do that, obviously. So where do you go from here? Well, first thing is if you're on the flat rate scheme, then please reach out to us directly. If you're on the standard rate scheme, come the 1st of January, 20% of your sales price will come out via Amazon. But what it means is we're going to have to reconcile that 20% sale against your VAT return, because you will still need to do a VAT return. All right. So do you still need to be registered? Yes. Will Amazon do your VAT returns for you? No. Will you need us to do it? Yes. So that's basically where we are with that at the moment. So your marketplaces are going to be taking a VAT. You'll still need to do a VAT return to reclaim your import VAT. Hopefully that's been useful. My name is Andy from Global E-Commerce Experts, and I hope that piece of information has been really useful to help you with your expansion to the EU. Thanks for your time.